Okay, listen up. You really don't want to miss this. Click the link in the description right now because what I'm about to show you is seriously impressive. This product has been getting tons of attention lately, and after trying it, I get the hype. The performance is super smooth, the design feels strong and well built, and it's incredibly beginner-friendly. You don't need any complicated setup or special skills. It just works right out of the box. The crazy part is how much better it is than I expected. I honestly thought it would be just okay, but it ended up being one of the best things I've tried this year. So if you want something reliable, simple, and totally worth your time, click the link below. Check it out, try it yourself, and thank me later. Before I tell you the details, trust me on this. Click the link in the description and save it. You'll want to check it out later. I first heard about... Okay, listen up. You really don't want to miss this. Click the link in the description.